I can hear that heavy bass through the floor again.
This new song has such a great rhythm and energy.
My computer screen is literally shaking from the vibrations.
I love how the music fills every corner of the room.
I am trying to record a very important video lesson.
Maybe I should turn up the volume just a little bit.
That is the third time he played the same melody.
Practice makes perfect, and I want to be a professional.
I am going to lose my mind if this continues.
This guitar solo is the best thing I ever wrote.
It is 11 o'clock on a Tuesday morning, not a concert.
Music is the only thing that helps me stay happy.
I'll try to knock on the ceiling with a broom first.
Did I hear a strange thumping sound from the floor?
Thump, thump. Please, neighbor, hear my silent cry for peace.
It must be the wind hitting the old window frames.
The broom technique is clearly not working at all today.
I'll try to sing along with the melody this time.
Now he is shouting. This is absolutely unbearable for me.
My voice sounds quite strong and clear in this hallway.
I am putting on my shoes to go upstairs right away.
I feel so inspired and creative in my blue t-shirt.
I need to stay calm and be polite during the talk.
I wonder if anyone else enjoys my beautiful artistic talent.
I am standing in front of apartment number 4B.
Time to play the chorus again with more passion.
Deep breath, Luna. Just explain the situation to him.
I think I hear someone knocking at my front door.
Knock, knock. Hello? Is anyone inside this loud room?
I'll put my guitar down and see who is visiting. Oh, hello. You must be my neighbor from the floor below.
Yes, my name is Luna, and we have a big problem.
Is there a leak in the bathroom pipes again?
No, the problem is the volume of your electric guitar.
I am so sorry. I didn't realize it was so loud.
The walls in this old building are very thin, unfortunately.
I was just practicing for a local talent show tomorrow.
I understand your passion, but I work from home.
What kind of work do you do in your apartment?
I teach English online to students from all over the world.
That sounds like a very interesting and difficult job.
It is impossible to speak when your bass is thumping.
I feel terrible for interrupting your professional lessons.
My students asked me if there was a party upstairs.
No party, just me and my favorite instrument.
I appreciate your talent, but silence is my priority.
I usually lose track of time when I am playing.
It has been 2 hours of the same loud song.
I am very embarrassed about causing you so much stress.
Thank you for understanding my side of the story.
I thought the carpet would absorb most of the sound.
It helps a little, but the vibrations travel through wood.
I'll turn the amplifier off immediately, I promise.
That would be a huge relief for my afternoon classes.
Is there a specific time when I can play safely?
I usually finish my work around 5 o'clock every day.
That is good to know for my future practice sessions.
We need to find a way to live together peacefully.
I'm Tom, by the way. Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom, despite the loud music.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
Thank you for being so quiet yesterday afternoon, Tom.
I tried to practice without the amplifier for a bit.
I could still hear a tiny bit, but it was much better.
The problem is that the guitar sounds flat without power.
There must be some technology to help musicians in apartments.
I was reading about special soundproof foam for the walls.
That sounds like a very expensive and permanent solution.
You are right, and I am only renting this place.
What about those digital headphones people use for games?
Wait, that is a brilliant and very simple idea.
You can hear the music and I can hear the silence.
I have a pair of studio headphones in my closet.
Can you connect them directly to your loud amplifier?
Yes, there's a special jack for silent practicing.
That would solve our conflict completely and quickly.
I'll go and look for them in my storage box.
I am also going to buy a thicker rug for my ceiling.
You mean for your floor, right?
Yes, for my floor, to stop any extra noise.
I found them. They are professional and very high quality.
Try to play something now while I stand here.
I am plugging them in and turning on the power.
I can only hear the faint sound of the strings.
This is amazing. The sound in my ears is perfect.
I can't believe how quiet it is in the hallway.
Now I can play at midnight without waking anyone up.
Please don't play at midnight. I need to sleep.
Just joking. I'll stick to a normal human schedule.
I am so happy we talked instead of just being angry.
Communication is the best way to be a good neighbor.
Luna, wait a moment. I have something for you.
Oh, hello, Tom. I was just coming back from the shop.
I wanted to apologize again for the noise last week.
It is okay. You solved the problem very quickly.
I bought these earplugs just in case I am too loud.
That is very thoughtful of you. Thank you.
And I have a box of fresh donuts from the bakery.
You don't have to do that, but they look delicious.
It is a peace offering for the thumping neighbor.
I feel bad about knocking on your floor with a broom.
It was a funny way to start a new friendship.
Would you like to come in for a quick cup of tea?
I would love to see the apartment below mine.
It's exactly the same layout, just with more books.
Your living room is so calm and very well organized.
I need a tidy space to focus on my English students.
I see your microphone and the large computer screen.
This is where I spend most of my daylight hours.
I'll try to be extra quiet during your morning sessions.
Here is some green tea to go with the sweet donuts.
The strawberry filling in this donut is incredible.
I'm glad you brought the ones with pink frosting.
I notice you have a small acoustic guitar in the corner.
I played a little when I was a younger student.
Maybe one day we can play a quiet song together?
Only if we use your silent headphones technique.
We can use a splitter to connect two pairs at once.
You really are an expert on musical gadgets, Tom.
It is my favorite way to spend my free time.
Thank you for the treats and for being a nice guy. The silence in the building today is absolutely wonderful.
I am wearing my headphones for 3 hours already.
I finished 3 lessons without a single interruption.
I actually prefer the sound quality in these headphones.
I can hear the birds singing outside my window.
I am learning a very difficult jazz piece right now.
Jazz is much softer than the heavy rock from before.
I am trying to expand my musical horizons, Luna.
My students are much happier during our video calls.
I am also trying to walk more softly on the floor.
I noticed that too. No more heavy jumping around.
I started wearing soft slippers instead of my boots.
Every little detail helps to make the day better.
I am thinking about moving my desk to the other wall.
That would put you away from my bedroom area.
Exactly. It is better for both of us in the long run.
You are becoming a very considerate neighbor, Tom.
Living in a community means thinking about other people.
I'm writing a blog post about solving neighborly conflicts.
Can I be the main character in your story?
Yes, the rock star who learned to be silent.
That is a very cool title for a blog.
I'll send you the link when I finish the draft.
I'm going to share it with all my musician friends.
Many people struggle with noise in big city apartments.
It is a common problem with a very simple solution.
I'm going to have a short nap before my next class.
Enjoy your rest. I'll be as quiet as a mouse.
Thank you, Tom. See you later in the hallway.
Happy dreaming, neighbor. The silence is all yours.
Luna, I have a special surprise for you this evening.
Is it another box of delicious chocolate donuts?
Even better, I have 2 tickets for my talent show.
Oh, so I can finally hear your music at full volume?
Yes, in a real theater with professional sound speakers.
I would love to go and support your hard work.
The show starts at 8 o'clock in the city center.
I'll wear something nice and bring my camera.
I'm the 3rd performer on the main stage tonight.
I am excited to see your guitar solo in person.
I practiced so much thanks to your quiet hours.
Discipline is important even for creative artists.
You helped me to focus more on the small details.
We should go to the theater together by bus.
Good idea. The parking there is always very difficult.
I'll bring some water and some snacks for us.
I am a little bit nervous about the big crowd.
Just imagine you are in your room with your headphones.
That is a very helpful piece of advice, Luna.
You are a great musician. Just believe in yourself.
Thank you for being my friend and my best critic.
I am your #1 fan from apartment 3B.
Let's go. The bus is coming in 5 minutes.
I'll lock my door and grab my warm jacket.
This is going to be a night to remember for us.
After the show, we can celebrate with a nice dinner.
My treat this time for all the noise I made.
I won't say no to a delicious pizza.
It is a deal, neighbor. Let's go and play.
Good luck, Tom. I know you will be amazing.